Today's skill I'm going to teach you is Resequence. So you'll go up to Create, Formative, and I'll call it Aztec Quiz. I'm going to add question or content, and then I'm going to go to Resequence. So what you'll want to do at the top is write your directions. Using information from page 21, sequence the following steps in order to show how the Maya, guess I should name it Maya quiz, how the Maya built pyramids. And this I find is always helpful to, even though it says put it in order, they always want to know. So I always put the first event at the top and the last event at the bottom. So down here, you can add as many options as you want. These are all the things they're going to sequence in order. So when you type it, you want to type them in order to create the key. I'm going to do 5 constructed 4-sided platforms from Earth and Rubble. Covered platforms in limestone. Ground limestone into a fine powder. Mixed powder with gravel and water. Put mortar or stucco finishing on the structure. These are in order correct answers. You can, if you didn't want to do a sentence, if you would rather do images, or if you want to do audio, right? You retell something. This is for the younger grades. Maybe you retell something and they don't have to read it, but you have pre-recorded yourself retelling the steps of a story, the 5 plot elements, and they have to drag them in order. So you have lots of options. You don't only have to type. You can do audio, you can do images, you can do math, video, files. They give you lots of options. I just chose to type. When I'm done, I check how many do I have. I have 5. So I'm going to make that reflect in my points. And then of course I go down to allow them partial credit. I go to settings. I toggle on required and I toggle on allow partial credit. So let's say they get steps 2 and 3 backwards. They can get 3 out of 5 points. How does this look to the students? Come up here, preview a student, click on the eyeball. We'll scroll down. Now down here, you can click and it's highlighted. Then you just move it wherever you want to. Move it wherever you want to. Click and drag, and it will automatically move out of the way. But I always remind my students to double check before they submit anything. Plus, for me, I have indicated it's on page 21, so clearly they can go back and look in the text to double check their work. Now that I have made sure there are 5 items, there are 5 points. Whenever a student has finished putting them in order, all they do is click on submit, and that's it.